Majority of the heritage structures in Singapore lack sufficient data that is up to modern standards, which are needed for reconstruction in case of any damages to the structure. The Notre Dame Cathedral fire brought a lot of attention to how 3D laser scanning technology can be used to make a digital replica of heritage structures in order to conserve them. Heritage structures are of significance and transmit its values and attributes to future generations, and also help the city retain its unique personality and foster a sense of identity. Therefore, the conservation of these structures is important.
Heritage conservation requires a high level of detail to be able to conserve or reconstruct structures to its original form.
We're leveraging on LiDAR technology and BIM softwares to create digital models for a more accurate representation of buildings or structures. These digital models can then be used to aid the reconstruction of heritage structures, which will be beneficial where the building or structure lacks sufficient data that is needed for reconstruction or repairs.
3D laser scanning is the process of capturing precise, three-dimensional information from a real-world object, a group of objects, or an environment using a laser as a light source. By projecting laser light onto the object, the scanner creates point clouds, millions of precisely measured XYZ points that define the object's position in space.
The data obtained from the laser scanner is a binary point cloud format, which is then processed into a software where 3D modeling can be done.
The scans are registered into a software called Cyclone Register 360, which is one of the many softwares that can be used to register scans. Visual alignment is done manually for all different points, followed by a cleanup of noise. A project point cloud is then created and exported to Revit to create the digital model. The data acquired from 3D scanning acts as a form of a reliable archive.